Hello, kids! How are you today? Good! Our activity for today is about introducing oneself. Are you ready? Let's start! I am Dringsley Manatad, your teacher. I am 38 years old. I am a girl. I like to eat fruits. I love to play the guitar. And now, it's your turn to introduce yourself.
I am Mark Santos. I am 4 years old. I am a boy. I like to eat cookies. I love to play with a toy car.
I am Ana Flores. I am 5 years old. I am a girl. I like to eat cake. I love to play with dolls. Now, let us see if you can answer the questions. How old is Mark? You're right. Mark is 4 years old. Is Anna a boy or a girl? You're right. Anna is a girl. Who likes to eat cookies? You're right. Mark loves to eat cookies. Who loves to play with dolls? You're right. Anna loves to play with dolls. We're done, kids. You want to learn more? See you in my next video. Bye-bye.